All right, going up. Oh man, that feels like my battery moved.
You're gonna stay low like that? You can stay high, you're gonna stay low.
I think I'm gonna come back in. My CG definitely moved after I threw it. I'll put her down in the grass. Now I'll come around first. Whoa. Jeez. Right, landing. Oof. Okay, actually, yeah, we just restarted the recording. This is hilarious. These popped off, canopy popped off. This, okay, that is hilarious. Oh shit, I have to remove my I have to take my plate off. Wait, I have the tools for that. We can probably go up again. Oh. Yeah. We can probably go up again. This ain't too bad. But yeah, as soon as I took off, I was like, yep, my battery moved. I should have had the goggles handy so I could just take a peek. Yeah, this was squirrely.